All right, welcome to another episode of Money Isn't Hard. Not really an episode, it's just a video. And we're going to talk about this DELI and the fact that it's worth over $100 million. Now, this is how you know that we're in a market unlike any other market, and one that I would say is akin to a bubble. In fact, I would say this is probably the number one sign that there's some funny business going on. So this is an article published in on CNBC. There's a single New Jersey deli. It's only doing $35,000 in sales. That owner actually says that they don't know. I'm sorry, not owner. The CEO or the company says they don't know how they're going to survive. Which is pretty interesting considering they're worth $100 million at present pricing. So let's go through. This is ridiculous. This is why people that are only investing based on graphs or charts are really screwing themselves, because when something like this gets a huge bump, 8.52% in a day. Yes, you heard that right. 8.52%. This is how you know that you're in a market that is not being reasonable. And I'd say that you have to watch out. This is why when you invest in stocks, you guys have to do fundamental analysis. You need to look at the company itself. Are they actually producing a product, or are they just trying to sell you a gimmick or a stock that's increasing? Now, I don't believe that these guys are actually doing that. I think this was just a fluke that, the charts were all pointed the right direction, and all of a sudden everybody started jumping in. The largest shareholder is the CEO, who a deli that makes $35,000 a year. The CEO is also the CFO and the treasurer and the director. So they hold 4 titles at this company. I think this statement is great. Einhorn, which he's a hedge fund manager. He's very popular. If you read a lot, you'll see his name. Anyhow, he said the pastrami must be amazing. I gotta tell you, there is some good pastrami on the East Coast, but I hate to say it, I don't think that this little deli has pastrami worth $100 million. So right here we go in, we see, according to the company's latest 10K, single location, one location, has done barely any business. It was trading from $3.25 to $9, and now it's just under $14 a share for $100 million. They have 60 shareholders, which is actually really interesting, because if they only have 60 shareholders, that means that there were some interesting raises on that stock. Expenses $600,000, up from $154,000 in 2019. That's interesting. Net gain of $2.2 million. Financing, okay, that means they took some debt out or took some loans. Guys, you got to do fundamental analysis on these stocks. There is something seriously wrong when there is a single store that's valued at $100 million. I mean, give me a break. So what is one way that you can take a look at, or let's say, you saw this, people are like, oh, you got to get in. Here's an easy way to look at it, right? Look at their earnings, guys. How much money are they earning? Well, close to nothing, right? You can't even see it because, wait, it's an OTC. But here you go. Here's some cash, short-term investments, 2020. This is where it's getting scary. 515. It's in US dollars. It's in thousands, obviously. This is not a company you should invest in. This is not worth $100 million. its assets. It's only got $1.5 million in assets. How that's 100x multiple, I don't know. Yeah, but this is, avoid this. Look at cash. Wow. Cash flow last 4 years, 48,000, 5,457. Oh, I'm sorry, negative, going out, not coming in. They're losing money. Income statement, $624,000 in losses. Yeah, I mean, guys, basic fundamental analysis. That's all you have to do. So please, please, please take a look at stocks. Do some basic fundamentals. Just look and see what they're selling. Is it worth it? Is one deli in the middle of nowhere worth that much money? And if we go back to that article, or we just go back to this picture, I'm sorry to say this, I really do like delis, but your pastrami is not worth $100 million. Anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a good day. Join us on the next video. Appreciate you.